Shoot! He's in UK right now. Zimbabwe, you loving it? Shoot! Okay, pick up Mercy. All the way in Rusapa, himself, Godfather, Templeman, Garry B. I never knew Black Identity is so talented. Yes, that is what we do. Dance and Remedy, we bring it out. Okay, pick up Prosper all the way from Vic Falls. Himself, Father, full joy, me full journey vibes. Yes, I want to pick up Mike all the way from TZ. Himself, Father, Fydale is my neighbor. Good for you, I'm sure you record for free. Well, pick up Kuda all the way from Vic Falls again. You say, Father, full joy, my full joy to the fullest. And you can't stop the fire from burning. Yes, Kuda, we can't stop until 12 o'clock. We have turned it upside down, and Giano, it's craziness. And right now, Zimbabwe is all about the rhythm called the feelings. Yes, identity. Black identity.
Yes, King.
The WhatsApp is coming crazy.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Mukbonzo ayando neza last. Mune makore mangani?
I'm 28 years old.
20 makarora here.
Yeah, I'm married.
Oh, ja. Ladies, it's very unfortunate. The ladies were going crazy on WhatsApp. They really wanted a piece of the black identity. No, you can't get it. The man is already taken. The identity is already taken. The man named Fydale. Okay, Fydale.
Yes, King.
My youth are gunetsa.
Yeah.
Ranzi susu tichitanga uzane black identity. Takazonozea black identity vachi shanda zvakasimba.
Yeah.
Na loud H.
Okay.
Ranzi ndova taona iri collaboration yakatinakidza.
Yeah,
but for some reason vakazongoenda in their different ways, and the youths want to know why. They want to know, man. Give me some light. Chill, Rasta.
Okay. All I can say, maybe history time, no.
Yeah, give me some history.
Maybe it was in Mozambique.
In Mozambique?
Yeah, we were there. That's when we first started doing things.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. It's under vision in the likes of my work spiders.
Yeah, man.
And more. It's more like the Patakazongo Kunoku. So shoot out, push is doing his own things, me I'm doing my own things. But we are still one family.
You're still one family?
Yeah.
And they're still friends?
They are still friends.
The youth want to know, you know, they want to know.
Okay. Since I managed to simulate the story with Mbada.
Yeah, man.
I'm just a pioneer in Mbada, but I'm no longer that label with Mbada.
Yeah, man.
I'm black identity, see me.
And there is no bad blood between the two of you?
There's no bad blood. They are still brothers. No,
yeah, man.
Music.
Zimbabwe, it's all about black identity. Is in the building tonight. I am talking about Fydale. It's all about the greatest collaboration of all time, and black identity is there in the building tonight. And Jano, we are talking about the youth named Loud H. But right now, he's there in a UK. But right now, moving on, I have to introduce yet another brilliant youth. I am talking about the most gifted youth. Some could have said him name Soulja Love. Mix master, drop it from top.